Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be exploring the recent calls tab, as after doing a call, the most important step is analyzing its performance. Through this recent calls tab, we'll be able to understand where the bot went wrong, where it didn't understand what the user said and its intent, and where we should fix it. So let us now dive into it. So in the recent calls tab, you can see all these calls like a call log, and you can open any one of these. Let us open this one. Now, as you can see, you can get the call recording here, and apart from that, you can also get the whole transcription. In this transcription, you can see exactly where there were tool calls, what was the information in the tool calls, and you can analyze this completely so that you can make fixes to your bot and improve it further. Apart from this, you can also see the call timing, the source, and the info, like this was a web call, this was a phone call. So you can see that. You can also see the analysis of the call. You can also see that post actions after the call, what happened. So after the call, basically all the data was sent in the Google Sheet. And you can also check out the latency profile, that what was the latency of the LLM, where in which dialogue the LLM took more time, and basically tweak your bot for, getting a lower latency and fix and tweak your agent accordingly. But apart from all of this, you can also go to the advanced mode. Here in the advanced mode, you will see these metrics for all the interactions. And this is basically for getting a deeper level overview on your conversations. You can also see the evaluations, the LLM details, and the costing. And yeah, you can see all of these details for each of your calls, and accordingly, after listening to 4 or 5 recordings and analyzing them, you can make changes to your bot to make it even better. So this will be an iterative process to make your bot perfect for your business and perform in the best way possible, even in non-ideal conditions. So thank you, and catch you in the next one.